Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to fix iPhone and Android camera not working. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we have to do is enter the setting of our phone. Now that we are there, enter the permission option where we will choose the camera option. Here we can see all the permissions where the camera is allowed. If you see an application that is the one that is presenting you with problems using the camera, what you should do is activate it. You can also go to the applications and find the application that is causing the problem with the camera. Go to permission, and if it doesn't have the camera permission enabled, just enable it, and that's it, that's all. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.